Hi, I'm Maddie, and I love music, and I've been singing since I was a baby in the crib. And um, I used to have a problem with breath support when I was singing phrases, and I was browsing the internet one day, and I came across Singorama, and I did the program, and it completely helped me fix my problem and helped with my singing. So I'll sing a few bars for you, just to prove it. The hills are alive with the sound of music, with songs they have sung for 1,000 years. The hills fill my heart with the sound of music. My heart wants to sing every song